Generating insights from data using analytics and AI is crucial for every organization today. But what's more important is having the flexibility and peace of mind when it comes to deploying such applications like SAS Viya in your data landscape and not needing to worry about factors like performance, scalability, and efficiency. Hi, my name is Anshul Naguri. I'm a worldwide solutions product manager with HPE. And today, I'm going to talk about the HPE GreenLake Flex solution built for SAS Viya. We will discuss its configuration, sizing, and architecture aspects. But before we dive further, if you want to know what this solution is really about, check out the link in the description where we talk about the business value proposition of this solution. This Flex solution offers you the choice and flexibility to deploy SAS Viya either on bare metal or virtualized infrastructure. Let us look at the solution components in detail. From a compute perspective, we have the HPE Reliant DL360 and DL380 Gen 11 servers that come with a 5th generation Intel Xeon scalable processors. From a storage point of view, we have the AI-driven all-NVMe disaggregated block storage solution called HPE GreenLake for Block Storage MP. It offers extreme performance and 100% data availability guarantee. From a networking standpoint, we use Fiber Channel as the SAN protocol to connect the underlying block storage to the HPE Reliant Gen 11 servers. We use the HPE Container Storage Interface or CSI driver that connects the underlying HPE GreenLake for Block Storage MP system to the OpenShift and the SAS Viya layers. It basically interfaces with SAS Viya and creates the required persistent volumes on the underlying block storage system. Now, as I mentioned before, when it comes to deployment choices, this solution offers you the choice to deploy SAS Viya either on bare metal or virtualized infrastructure. Now, let us take a look at each of these in detail. In the bare metal configuration, Red Hat OpenShift is deployed directly on bare metal servers, and SAS Viya is deployed on top of it. This approach has two clear advantages. One, you can save on license costs for hypervisor, and two, this approach is easy to deploy and manage without the overhead of VM creation and management. In this approach, you need Red Hat OpenShift socket-based subscriptions for the worker nodes, and the control plane nodes do not need any OpenShift subscriptions or entitlements. If you would like to deploy SAS Viya on virtualized infrastructure, we offer you with two choices: Red Hat OpenShift virtualization and VMware. With OpenShift virtualization, we use the hosted control planes architecture. In this approach, we first create an OpenShift cluster on the underlying bare metal servers. Then we deploy the OpenShift virtualization operator on it. Then we create virtual machines based on the sizing guides from SAS. Then on these VMs, we create a nested OpenShift cluster. And finally, on this cluster, we deploy SAS Viya. This approach has a clear advantage that you can create multiple such nested OpenShift clusters and SAS Viya instances on top of them for production, non-production, dev, QA purposes. With OpenShift virtualization, you require Red Hat OpenShift core-based subscriptions for the underlying nodes. Another way to deploy SAS Viya on virtualized infrastructure is using VMware. In this approach, we first create a VMware vSphere cluster on underlying bare metal servers, and then we create VMs based on the sizing guidelines from SAS. And finally, on these VMs, we create an OpenShift cluster and deploy SAS Viya on top of it. In this approach, a thing to note is that you would require Red Hat OpenShift core-based subscription as well as VMware licenses for the underlying servers. Here is a comparison between the three approaches from a licensing standpoint. In this Flex solution, HPE can offer services for installation, configuration, and management of the underlying HPE GreenLake infrastructure, as well as the Red Hat components. SAS Viya and VMware are not licensed and managed by HPE, and hence it is recommended to bring your own licenses for these. SAS Viya, as you might know, is offered in three different packages: SAS Viya Advanced, and SAS Viya Enterprise. This table from the SAS website shows all the features that these three different packages offer. All of these three packages have three t-shirt sizes within them: small, medium, and large. Hence, we have a total of 9 SAS Viya t-shirts that you can choose from based on your size of deployment as well as use case. Now, HP took all of these 9 sizing guides from SAS and created 5 configurations for bare metal deployment and 5 for virtualized deployments. For bare metal deployments, as you can see, we have 5 configurations starting from extra small to extra large, where we have a fixed control plane of 3 HP Reliant DL360 Gen 11 servers, and then varying number of worker nodes from DL360 to DL380 Gen 11 servers. When it comes to virtualized configurations, we have 5 different t-shirts here as well. But the only difference is that we do not have a dedicated control plane infrastructure, but we pool in all the resources from underlying servers and create VMs that act as control plane as well as the worker nodes for deploying SAS Viya. Across these 5 bare metal as well as virtualized configurations, we have got the right model of the HPE GreenLake for block storage MP system with optimum number of NVMe SSDs for performance as well as capacity. While creating these configurations, we have taken utmost care to ensure that we are not over-provisioning the hardware, but at the same time, we have enough headroom for growth within that particular configuration. In summary, the HPE GreenLake Flex solution built for SAS Viya offers a proven high-performance, pay-as-you-go on-premises solution for you to deploy SAS Viya either on bare metal or virtualized infrastructure. If you're looking for more technical details, check out the link to the technical white paper as well as a video in the description where we talk about the performance results that we got while running SAS benchmarks against this solution. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.